In primetime news this evening, 2 gang members freed of major charge in Uchen's Wilson gang trial. Brace for more trials without jury, the word from the Chief Justice. And setback, trial of police officers involved in the Mario Dean case postponed until next year.
Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. We're live on air and also online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are your thoughts on the Chief Justice's proposal to have judges decide more cases instead of jurors?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.